Hello, I'm Suzanne Peck, Director and Naturopath Nutritionist at Homefield Grange Health and Wellness Spa. If your goal is to lose weight, detox, get fitter, gain more energy, or improve a health condition, there's nothing more powerful that could help or hinder your goal in achieving that than the food you decide to cook and eat for yourself. So a weekend cookery course has often been requested by our clients over the years, as they always love, the things that our amazing chefs do for them in Homefield's kitchen. So here it is, a weekend that will give you the chance to learn for yourself how to create healthy, nutritious, plant-based meals, desserts and snacks. And it will be through our chef's demonstrations, you're going to watch and learn better ways of keeping you and your loved ones eating in a way that nourishes, supports and protects your health. The weekend, of course, will give you time to use our beautiful, relaxing spa, take a walk in the countryside, enjoy some pampering therapies. Afterwards, you'll gain access to our exclusive membership site, which is packed with loads of great recipes to keep you motivated and inspired. And, I know that you'll learn loads on a weekend like this, and you'll love the delicious, healthy meal times and share an enjoyable journey of discovery with a number of like-minded guests. So we look forward to helping you soon.